Guys, and we continue second clip. Okay, we talk about operating system continue. Okay. Okay, guys, and next, uh, for for this element นะคะ open system also engaged in organization tend to preserve the organization given form towards so socialization and control activity. An urban system often be by becoming more complex or differentiated. Cash and corn. Note 10 characteristics of urban system. First, importation of energy from the environment. For example, resources, people, mechanical, and next, throughput, transform resources available to them. Next, output, export some resources to the environment. Next, system as cycles of events. Next, negative entropy through input of energy or input of resources. Next, information input, negative feedback, and according process to maintain steady state. The steady states and dynamic homeostasis and a tendency toward growth to ensure survival, differentiation and specialization, integration and coordination, equifinality, many parts to same end. Okay, and Ajahn Job conclude the open system characteristic from cats and cons follow this. An open system is one of the characteristics in an organization. All factors have an effect on an organization. As a result, the study of elements in the open system is vital. Elements of open system includes the following factors. First, input are the variables put in an organization system. Next, the system is actions that change inputs into outputs. Next, outputs are key variables that are affected by other variables. Next, feedback is the impact of the result. There are two kinds of feedback. First, positive feedback. This means the good way of feedback. And next, negative feedback. This is the bad way of feedback. The environment is all factors affecting the organization from outside of the organization but are important to the organization. All elements in an urban system are dynamic. Dynamic is the it can move all the time, which means they are affected by organizational environment. Okay, I want to show example for this system. For the first one, input. Input just means variable that you put in the organization system. For example, I can show example about the Toyota Motor company. Okay, Toyota Motor is the company that make cars. Okay, make cars. And you think about our model input. Input if you take the material for example steel, okay, manpower, every material you give in the process. Next, process all mechanic. You use all material, manpower, steel, all elements that you want to make the car in the process. You use the robot, blah blah blah. This we call the process. And then when the process finish, okay, you can get the car material we call inputs. The product we call the process for make the car. And then you can get output. This means you can get cars. In there are two types of the product. First we call input, and the next one we call first we call output, and the next one we call outcome. The output, this means the productivity, just productivity or services. But if you call outcome we concern about the high quality. If you can product the car. If just the car you do not have high quality, we call output. If that car have high quality, high productivity, that's we call outcome. And then you check the feedback. About feedback, if you check feedback in your organization, you can send to QA department for check the quality of your cars. And if your car have high quality, okay, you can send to the people, to customer. If low quality, you can send it back to your process. That means you can put the new input and you can create the new product, and you can get the outputs again, and you check the feedback about your quality. If you think about feedback outside your company, that means the customer satisfaction. If you send your productivity to your customer and your customer like them, your customer satisfies, okay, yes, that means you can get the positive feedback. If customer don't like, this means you get negative feedback. Okay, and next, environment. About environments, that mean all element in open system. For example, law, economic, geographic, something like that. So you must analyze your environment by yourself and depend on your business type. And next, this is the case study. Starbucks Corporation. You don't read this paper. I tend to think easy for you find about the Starbucks Corporation information. You can find the Starbucks news or Starbucks organization information. And then please answer this question. After you read, you learn about case study. Please use same group. Same group, this means the group that you told me via our group line. And you choose the topic. The topic, this means your group name too. Do you remember your group? I hope you can remember. And then you type your answer by Word program. And then you submit to Arjanju via our group line. The first one, do you think Starbucks is an organization? Please share the reason. Next, what are the characteristics of Starbucks? And the last one, what are the current situation facing Starbucks? All situation, all factor that you think impact with Starbucks earning outcome or impact with Starbucks organization. You can analyze and you can tell that factors and you can explain what the effect of that chapter. And then You do exercise. Exercise, this is the good word also. First, please answer. What is work? What is an organization? Identify characteristics of organizations. Analyze the current situation facing organizations. Okay, so we finished for lecture. Chapter 1, อาจารย์จุ๊บ waiting for your paper. And right now, อาจารย์จุ๊บ will finish the YouTube. And I hope you can answer my question. And this is group work. Okay, and I have a member in your group already. If you send your group work just one paper via our line, อาจารย์จุ๊บ will check attendance points for all members in that group. And the deadline before 4 p.m. That means the time of our class over. Okay, see you around ค่ะ